Thusi and Cassper Nyovest traded blows on Twitter. Thusi and Cassper had Twitter streets in beast mode on Thursday after they took shots at each other over a horse. Yes, a horse. While Twitter rushed to check if she was okay, Cassper Nyovest saw the funny side of it and asked her why, as a black woman, she was riding a horse in the first place. Pearl was having none of it and showed Cassper the door. Returning to Twitter, she called Cass narrow-minded for not knowing that black people rode horses for centuries. Cassper confronted her about it, only for Pearl to hit him back with a "you can't even ride a donkey." But by then the fans had taken over the conversation and were either running up on Pearl or backing her up.
Yeah.